This is sorry guys, I have 6 now.
I know
Six.
where that I needed you.
I have 6. Bye, thanks for watching, like and subscribe.
What you say? I know you what I needed. I never thought I needed you. I need to say what I said. Now I don't need darling. I don't need you. Wings to fly. And I'm in hands and wings to fly. But I already saved my life. This is my favorite version. I'm just a kid. I'm 6 years old. And I'm grade 1. We live in Philippines. So I know. I love my favorite singer is Melody. My best friend Luna is Rose. Rose favorite is Kuromi. So I love Melody and my other best friend loves Kuromi. Her name's Saisa. She's 7 years old. So, when I'm 7 years old, I don't know. So, me and Saisa meet Luna. So, they be good. So, I know it. So, did you guys know it? I know how to make a body now. So, thank you guys. Bye. Bye. Thank you for watching. This is my favorite. This is Melody. Bye guys. Thank you for. If you enjoy my video, like and subscribe. Bye.